We have high valuations, so low forward expected returns for the S&P, lower than average. We have, and again, 7 to 20 years. We have a business cycle that's slowing, and according to we have a proprietary leading index, but you could use ECRI or Conference Board. You can see that slowing all below the 6-month moving average. ECRI is negative on a year-over-year basis. Ours is negative on a year-over-year basis. So we've gone quickly from this as good as it gets growth last year to a slowdown, and now we're in an economic contraction. I'm not defining recession. That's the National Bureau of Economic Research's job, not mine. But I will say we're in a contraction, meaning growth is actually negative now on a year-over-year basis, according to leading indicators, not GDP, just our leading indicators. So I just want to be clear. I'm not saying we're in a recession. But when you look at that environment, historically, the Fed's eased when you've had negative trends in the stock market. The stock market's already corrected 20%. And you've had a growth slowing to this degree, the Fed has typically been accommodative. Key has been that inflation number, right, which is very difficult to work around. They haven't seen it slow. It's continuing to move higher if you look at CPI. And so they kind of have their feet to the fire here, trying to manage out of this very difficult box because they traditionally eased here to kind of bail everyone out. And now they can't do it because inflation hadn't peaked. And so it's going to be that. That's why when Chairman Powell said softish, I was thinking, yeah, that's probably not a bad term for what you have to try to orchestrate here, because it's going to be extremely difficult. They've got I pick on them all the time. They have the hardest job in the world. I would not want to be in their seat today because, Kevin, to your point, it's just, I hate these words, but it is different this time. If you look at the most recent Fed and market and economy relationship, the Fed is typically eased at a point like today. And I actually tweeted that out the other day. I said, if you understand that the Fed should be easing here, not tightening, and that's a big change.